Hey everyone, Aurick here. And today we're back at SpeedyFix kasi take 2 na. Sa wakas, nakuha ko na yung tamang brake pads. So we can finally proceed with the brake pad install and yung brake lines and everything to upgrade the brakes and para makabalik na ako sa truck kasi ubos na yung brake pads ko. So yeah, let's go over there and look over some of the parts we have para, just to keep y'all up to speed on what we're gonna fit again on the GRRs. So the cool thing about being here at Speedy is every now and then may mga toys na lumalabas like this 996. You know what, honestly I'm not even sure if the 996 ever came out with a GT2, but this looks at least like a GT3. It's got a Porsche equipment na roll cage. So this must be like an option of some sort. 6-speed manual. I'm not sure if you can open it. Don't wanna be bastos, but as you can see, medyo gamit to kasi naka AO52s. Advan na AO52s. It's a modern tire on an older-ish car. So ibig sabihin, ginagamit to for what it's intended to be used for. Okay. This is an Elise. Oh, Elise 220 Cup. Uy, sumasali na Toge Battle. Nice. Ayun, naka-TEs. And then, that's that Toyota motor. I'm not sure. It's a 4-cylinder. Dilim eh. But anyway, medyo rare to see the clamshell out sa harap. So we get to see everything that's inside. So the thing with Lotuses is literal simplify and add lightness. Simple everything. So tamo kita na dito Goodrich na SS lines. Ang liit lang pala ng preno nito. It's like a 2-pot caliper in front. And then ito na yung double wishbone. Yan na. So grabe, with the clamshell out, everything's adjustable. Madali nang abutin. So ang liit lang pala ng Bilstein na damper nito. And then you can see here, yung chassis is not welded. It's all adhesive. Ibig sabihin, I don't know, see, Lotus has this thing na they all use adhesive on the welding points. Supposedly that makes it lighter-ish. I don't know, like you Lotus nerds can chime in. Oh grabe, ito na yung steering rack, oh, dito na siya, tatagos lang siya dito. Everything looks so simple, pero for sure, complicated yung paggawa niyan. Then, everything in front is here. Nandito yung radiator, yung brake booster, hydrovac, then some ducting, yada yada. Grabe. Wow, okay. Funnily enough, it's getting its aircon worked on, but these cars aren't particularly known for good, creature comforts. So that's a bit funny to me. Oh, yan oh. AO52s, T37s. Actually, you know what? Lotus is pretty popular in Japan, so surprisingly you can get a decent size on TEs and other wheels for it. Yeah, they like this whole light and functional thing. It's like a really, really fancy MR2 to them. Over here naman, ito yung E55 ni Migs. Dude, I don't know, ano ba tawag dito? 201 ba to? I don't know. These Mercedes cars, I'm not a fan of Mercedes. Y'all know that if you follow me in my episodes with the V-Class. But etong E55 AMG has been with Migs for the longest time. Since I started coming here 10 years ago, nandito na yan. 10, actually more. Shit. Anyway, for decades, basta nandito na yan. So the only different looking thing from this car, it's got I don't know about the ducktail if it has stuff, pero naka pro drive siya na 7-spoke. Ano ba to? GC something. I'll just put it in the description. I forgot the name of this wheel. Pero yeah, you see a black E55 on pro drives. That's likely the owner of the shop, si Migs. Okay, so this is a 993. Doesn't look like a turbo. It looks like a Carrera something. So let's look at the back. And I cannot see. Well, but basically it looks like a standard Carrera, no? And lately SpeedyFix has been getting some customers well, mostly Porsches on this lift na baba makina. They're sort of becoming known as, hindi naman specialist, pero they know their way around a Porsche flat 6. So, very regular-ish work sa kanila to. It's nice to see na, you know, people are starting to get the word of mouth out na magagaling yung mga gumagawa dito. So yan, again, it looks stock, no? Pero it's on Pilot Sport 4S, meaning gamit to regularly, di ba? Yung looks like it's in good mechanical shape kasi the tires are new, no longer the crusty stuff. And for sure, considering all the stock power and stuff, okay na tong 4S. Ah wait, 4 yung harap pero 4S yung likod. Maybe it's because of the sizing. 285 yung likod, very chunky. But yeah, otherwise, very clean. I hope it's nothing too serious, but then considering nakababa yung makina, it probably is. Best of luck to the owner to get it sorted. Hindi, ito yung para sa likod. Ito. Nabunot na nila yung para sa harap. Sakto na, no? Ayan, no? Okay. So, yung dati, yung asbestos, galing, parang hanggang dito lang. So, yung inner part ng rotor, hindi makakain. Ngayon, ito, lapat na. So, ito yung tama. Ay, ginamit ko ba yung brake shim na bago?
Oo, sir.
Ayan yun, yung titanium. Okay. Ayan. Ngayon yung lines naman. Actually, ito may lines yun. So, ayan. We got the lines in red para terno siya dun sa caliper. Pero whatever color you get from Goodrich, it works all the same. Ayun, sinisimulan na yung rear lines. Pero since magtatanggal tayo ng lines, effectively flush na rin yung brake fluid eh. So may as well, palit na tayo ng bago. For now, ito yung usual go-to ko, ATE na TYP 200. This used to be yung ATE na super blue. Yeah, yung kulay blue na brake fluid. Looks kinda cool inside the reservoir. Tsaka madali makaspot ng leak kung meron man. Pero ngayon colorless na rin siya. Kasi meron atang tanga somewhere na kumain ng brake fluid na kulay blue. Ewan ko ba't nyo gagawin yun. Eh di yan, ginawa nilang clear. Okay. Tapos na yung brakes. Pero yung ini-edit dito, yung position nitong tip. Kasi masyado itong mababa compared to this. Tapos masyado siya nakalabas. So, medyo hassle siya. Ilang buwan na ako na peperwiso dito eh. Pero mukhang yung problema talaga yung jig ni Fujitsubo. There's something wrong with it. So, I think worst case, we may have to cut and edit the tip just so pumantay siya. Okay, as you can see, it's the next day. And okay, look, that's Chini again. Pero we're here at Clark Speedway, pero hindi tayo tatakbo because I'm going somewhere else later. But what we are going to do today is bed in the brakes while we're going there. So, what is bedding in the brakes? Long story short, para lang talaga lumapat yung pad dun sa rotor, kailangan madiin mo siya a certain number of times. Okay. Sorry, sidetrack. We're going to be watching the Spec Miata races later. But anyway, so, the whole point of the process of bedding in your brakes is, yung bagong pad mo, may ibang korte yan. And then, syempre, yung kain nung rotor, galing dun sa lumang pad. So, kumbaga, you gotta make them kiss. I mean, so, there's a certain process to do, which I'll do later, but at the same time, mahirap videohan yun and talk about it at the same time. So, I'm going to explain it now. Effectively, para kang gumagawa ng... para kang nagwo-workout. So, kunwari, nagbe-bench press ka, meron ka sets, meron ka reps. So, there's a variety of ways to bed in the pads depending on what your compound is or what the instructions are based on the manufacturer ng brake pads, etc. or your car or your race engineer or something. But you have to do a certain number of stops, usually like 3 stops from 100 kilometers to like 40 and then paulit-ulit, like 3 times, mga 3 reps. And then, you let the brakes cool for like, what, 5-10 minutes? And then you do the exact same process again, 3 sets, no? So, ang mangyayari later, we'll be going further down SE-Tex to Subic. Sakto, there's going to be a lot of open space, and we're going to be able to find a way to bed the brakes in. Kasi, syempre, we gotta make full use of that new endless brake pad. So yeah, oh, there's Chini being nerded out by everything I said. And then we go walk around and check out everything else that's here. Okay, so this is the Smart Fuels booth. Usually all the hardcore cars are here. And apparently they're fielding 4 cars para sa endurance tomorrow. Crazy. 4 NA Miatas.
The black one?
Oh, okay. I can't imagine how hard it will be to field 4 Miatas or 4 cars tomorrow. Oh, si Albert's driving tomorrow. Good luck. Good luck. Ayun yun. Okay, so this Osmo Pocket Gang, Pops. Kala ko may tambucho sa harap, puta, brake duct pala. Yeah, let's see the goods, Ooh.
VTEC Pops. Well, VTEC.
VTEC. ITVs.
Is our life. Plural ba pag ITV?
Stig, may parang custom billet na attachment siya to make it work. Galing ah. Yeah.
Aurick in an R7 Mazda.
I know.
So weird.
Race car na race car.
You know what? This got rebuilt a few hours ago lang.
Hours ago.
Yeah.
Alright.
Not 8 hours.
Sarap. That's racing, Pops.
Pagdating ko, nakita yung piston sa floor.
Yeah. I will go say hi to Zigmundo and the gang. Oi! It's this fucker! Hey! It's my cousin! Hey!
Mano po.
Mano po! Fuck you! Ito yung pinaka...
Magandang umaga po, Tami.
Hey! Ay.
Oh, like perfect, the cameras on.
I know, right? Nagmano lahat sa akin. No? Fuck you kayo.
Pare, bumabata ka.
What? Hindi. Nakahat lang ako ba? Nakasombrero lang.
Parang 70 lang. What's up, Uncle? Get out around 5 a.m. and then 5 you start.
Sweet.
Kamusta mga maintenance mo?
Actually, maintenance ko, gago, no.
Hindi lang auto, ikaw.
Hindi rin yung sa akin, pare kaka-trigger lang ng hypertension ko, so, yeah, dude.
Normal naman yun.
Normal naman.
Sa edad natin, talagang ganyan na yan.
Pucha.
Kamusta sugar mo?
Sakto lang. Sakto lang ako sa sugar,
Uric
pero
acid, kamusta?
surprisingly normal.
Ayos pa.
Oo.
Ay,
Yung LDL ko yung medyo
para
ano
sa senior, okay na rin yung ano mo. You're gonna leave this conversation in your vlog, right?
I know, dude. I don't know.
Bantayin ko yung vlog niya, pag nandang usapan niyo, tatag kita pa. Para sa senior, okay ang kondisyon ng katawan mo ngayon, pare ha?
Ay, nako. Hey, opo. Thank you. What a guys.
Alam kong
I missed you fuckers. I missed you guys.
alam kong medyo mahina.
Medyo mahina ng tuhod, mahina na.
Ayaw mo na ako dalawang wheelchair.
Wheelchair. Grabe, ang laki na ng binago nito ah. Open B na to, no? Like,
Yeah. Open B, then we're trying our luck in Open A.
yeah. And it has the turbo motor na.
Yep, the one from their Innova counterparts.
Ah, yeah.
It's a different animal already.
Ooh.
It's quick. It literally can bite you already. So on the dyno, for the 4 hours dyno 9 was 127.
Oh, wow. That's a... Uy, stop.
From
Nice.
from formerly 85.
Oh, that's something.
88 naman.
88.
Hindi, kasi nung nakuha ko 88, sabi sa akin din pag-uwa ng 88 sa dumang makina. Pero easy, malamig ngayon ha. Pumingit, bababa pa yan.
Nang insulto pa eh. What a
Ano guys going to us? Pare, makina ko, hina. Nasa 90 lang kami. Mas pa kayo eh. Renan?
Okay. So this is the GA4 na... Oy, ayun! Hey. Grabe.
He's gonna drive, so don't ruin the time for the driver in the track.
May glam shots pa. Yo, you gotta drive.
Maya. Drive muna.
So effectively, they put the turbo 4-cylinder from the GS4 or GN6 pala. Sorry, the GN6. So that's their minivan looking thing. Yes. Yeah. Why do I hear braps? Is that a rotary? No. Okay. Anyway, yeah, turbo 4-cylinder in the car that's not supposed to be turbo 4-cylinder. It's 40 horsepower up now. Yeah, I'm rooting for these boys kasi, well, I used to run endurance for them, except I suck balls, so they have a lot of better drivers now. Yeah. Basta, go team. Hello. What's up? Hi. Hi. Okay, so actually the quali's just finished for the Spec Miata Cup. I don't know the results. Basta, mamaya check natin yung grid. A bunch of the Miata Club guys are here. See, this one even has NOS. Grabe, yung nitros pa. Hello. Hi. Nangyari. Oh. Okay, don't want to poke around. It seems like they're busy fixing something. Yeah, I saw this kanina along the expressway. It's pretty well sorted. Just want to see. I hope it's okay. Yeah, so many more. Many Miatas. What we're here to watch though are these guys. Yeah. Spec Miata Cup. So what Mazda Philippines did is they sold a bunch of these, like 20 plus cars na all modified for a one-make race series. No? Has everything like exhaust, safety equipment, reinforcement, Cusco roll cages, Cusco coilovers, every race car thing, bucket seats, na sparkle, steering wheel. You've got a kill switch, again for safety. But it's still got AC, radio, and all the creature comfort, so you could take it on the street just so you could drive it around. But yeah, it's based off an ND2, so it's a more powerful motor. Supposedly, it weighs around 10-50 kilos. So, medyo light. Yung tipong, it could go down to sub 1K if you take out the radio and the aircon and stuff, but won't be as comfy. Anyway, there's gonna be like 20 of these throwing down later. Should be fun. Yan. So all the Miata guys are actually pretty active with motorsports for the most part, no? Which is very fascinating to see. Saka it's all generations. See, we've got an NC, bunch of NDs. Yun.
The man of the
Yeah,
hour.
good luck, ha?
Yeah, man, good luck.
We'll watch upstairs na.
You can see the car already in peripheral.
Wait.
He has a light.
Parade lap.
But if you don't see him in the peripheral, you have the light. What do you mean peripheral? You're okay.
Ayan,
What you're looking
look at it. It's a coupe, oh.
It looks like a Porsche, dude.
Diba?
Yeah, it does.
That car is super rare.
Exactly my point. See, because most of these people don't understand grid.
Yeah.
In grid racing, it's always a warm up first. Hold your line.
You got a penalty for that for sure.
No. This is a regular
This.
fun. You're gonna have to spend a lot more money now, but this is training still. Okay.
That's a big ass rig.
It is.
I know.
It is a massive rig. Looks track dedicated by Baby Viper. That is. Sana. Well, it sounds like it has the ND.
This is my mom, by the way, bro.
Hello, nice to meet you. Mike.
Close friends with Chris.
Nice to meet you, Aurick. Hi.
Keep up.
No, I have the real cigarette, not the eyeglass.
Ooh.
There you go. There you go.
Whoa!
Boosted pala.
It's boosted.
Boosted siya.
Yeah. That big wang car. It's boosted.
Big wang, big wang.
Pero grabe the ND2s have a good takeoff
Wait eh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hindi kasi I noticed yung NB it fell behind like P5, P6.
Exactly.
Pero look, he's cutting everyone at the corkscrew now.
Eh. Galing ah.
Galing. Dude, watch how he takes this corner.
I want to
Swap.
see Joey.
Yeah.
I think that's Joey ah.
I don't look, he's maintaining P4.
Yep. There you go.
Not letting him pass.
Not letting him pass talaga. You know he's closing it on the brakes
Oh. One of the automatics are in the second place ah.
Oo nga.
Okay ah.
Oo nga. Matic supercharged yung pole.
That's why supercharged siya.
Okay.
Oh, yung ND1 is flying ah.
Oo nga eh.
Bilis ah.
Ha?
Sounds like it's overboosting.
Kaya nga eh.
Galing.
Good.
Ayos ah.
Uy, galing rin nung NC
Oh, actually.
That silver NC
Pretty good.
Oh, overcooked it.
Yep, very quickly. Wrap your Yeah, man. Automatic supercharger.
Yeah.
Lain na nila. Oh,
He's making full use of that forced induction
oh, sobra.
He's P4 now. Whoa! Oh shit, it's misfiring!
Misfiring na.
Wala na.
Wala na yun.
Wala na.
May boost leak. Or, no, that's misfire. Hindi boost leak
It's
yun.
misfire.
Misfire.
Galing.
man.
Galing.
Pretty good.
I mean, you don't understand. The cars in front of him are newer and modified.
Supercharged.
With this turn with his wing and all stuff. Baka.
Here it comes.
He's back here.
He's back.
Oh, ang ganda yung tunog ah.
Galing sa likod din yung spoiler.
Yeah.
Galing sa likod nyo. Big wing. Supercharged siya yata eh. No? Supercharged yan, no?
Yeah, which one?
No, the black one. The black one.
No.
Turbo.
Turbo na V6 engine.
Woo!
Grabe.
Right, so what you just saw is the Miata Cup, which is, Miata club people dicing it out on track. So some of them are serious, some of them relax, pero there's always some good racing to be had. Pero this time, I don't know if you see it, pero this time the Spec Miata cars are out. No. Once they start, one make race series, 20 cars, intense yung pukpukan yan. It's time to see if people can really throw down with these things. Because from the looks of it, itong mga Spec Miatas are very, very twitchy at the limit. So it's really up to the driver to figure out how to get the most out of these cars. Parade. What?
Oh, no. Shit.
Oh, you idiot.
No.
There you go.
There you go. Good.
Okay. There. Take it easy.
man.
Take it easy.
This is it. Come on.
Inaugural Philippine Spec Miata.
Spec Miata series.
Exciting times. Bala na, zip ties and duct tape. Let's go.
Oy, good start
Start. Very
Good start, good start.
Very good start.
Good start by Jamal, huh?
Doing good, very good, very good.
The pros are bunched up pretty nicely, huh?
Really nice. Right? Tight, very tight.
Woo! May dive agad, oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Whip, oh. Come on, Jigs! Aggressive si Jigs, ha?
Gagi!
Aggressive si Jigs, ha?
Go! Go! Wait, Jamal's making up lots of
Oh, he's
places,
in the
huh?
spaces, ha?
Woo!
Oy, naman.
Oi, oi, oi. For first.
Ender, ha? Ender, ha? Come on, Jigs! Go! Galing!
Go, baby, go!
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Scary. Medyo scary. Si Wendy and Andy are throwing down also.
down, man.
Ganda rin ang laban, ha?
Exactly, ha? Galing.
That green one's also making pace, ha?
He is. For last time, ha? Good, good, good.
Oy, went on the inside cage. Oy!
There we go. There we go.
Galing, oh.
Galing, oh.
Galing, 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 galing.
Galing. Go, go, go. There you go.
Oh, 3 abreast in the first corner.
Uy, pucha. Oh, yun.
Yun! O ano, si Angie nakadikit na kay Paul, oh.
Oh, man.
Ah! Wala, that gave it to Alan na.
Yun na eh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Grabe, ang galing siya, no? Jigs, ha? Overtake yung ano, yung dalawa.
Oh my God! Y'all got spare pads? May spare pads kayo? Ay, hindi naman.
Battle na. Close. Good, yun. Good.
Grabe yung second
Uy,
pa.
pucha! Uy!
Wow!
Almost.
Dapat hindi.
Okay na. Grabing battle sa infield, ha?
He has to capitalize on that bunch sa second group to catch up.
Yun na eh. Hindi kaya.
Woo!
Good job, Kurt. Good job. Good fight.
Good fight yun, good fight.
Woo! Good fight.
Grabe. These cars provide some intense racing. Mga one-make series talaga, they give yung drivers the opportunity to shine. Ayan o, you've got dirt and everything. Battle scars everywhere. I'm just happy na race 1 ended without incident. Pero ang ganda ng karera. Very intense. So if Mazda continues the Spec series, grabe, you can expect like a pretty cool race every other month or so. Intense. People here know how to treat each other with respect on the grid. Okay din. Saktong racing lang talaga. There's going to be a race 2 this afternoon, but unfortunately I cannot stick around because we have to be somewhere and we have to bed the brakes in sa GR Yaris. Right now we're here at Subic. No, we just came from Clark, watched some of the Spec Miata races, and I was able to bed in the brakes. Okay naman. I'm not sure if you guys know where we are. Yung mga thunders dyan, y'all know what's up. You know what this entrance is. There used to be a picket sign there. We are at the former Subic International Raceway, and we're standing here on the main straight. What used to be the main straight. It used to come from there. So may parang chicane doon. It goes all the way there where the trucks are. Yan yung pit and paddock. There used to be an actual like pit building and everything, a facility and all that. Tapos it goes around. First corner is pretty lethal. There's no runoff, no nothing. You're gonna barrel down and brake. It's uphill na pa left. Pero the crazy bit is this one. This used to be what you call the bus stop. It's a right-left na chicane. Medyo delix kasi the asphalt is uneven. So, and oddly enough, may mga kambing dun. So minsan may kambing sa bus stop. Then it goes all the way back there, and then may hairpin sa dulo. High-speed section. Comes back, a couple chicanes, and then balik dito. This used to be a really, really magical place. Sobrang nostalgic para sa akin, and sayang talaga hindi naabutan ng GR Yaris to lugar na to. Because in my WRX dati, I used to clock around 52 seconds on the short course. The benchmark is sub 50. So I need guys with SIRs and yung mga high-end STI back then, mga Hawkeye ganon, they clock 47s, 49s. These guys are fast. Ako, I was just starting out then. But with this, sure ball, this car is a sub 50 car on the short course. I'm using it now. I gotta get out. So, yun. Nice nostalgic moment lang. So the reason why we're here at Subic is actually we're going on an overnight trip sa Anvaya. So that's completely unrelated to y'all. I need some personal time with friends. Y'all know how it is. But yeah, pretty much that's my weekend for now. We were able to bed in the brakes, go around and watch our friends run the Spec Miata series. Best of luck to them. Actually, yung race 2 is this afternoon. Tayo naman, wala. We be busy out here. So, yeah. If you like what you're seeing, guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment kayo kung ano gusto nyo makita. I'll try to teach you everything I can about cars. Anything under the sun, just let me know. Maybe you could come up with something. But yeah, thanks for your support, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.